Welcome to the ECOPS Idea Management Module, your organization's central hub for innovation.
Task management. The task management process consists of 3 steps, namely 1. Assigning/initiating a task. 2. Executing a task. 3. Approving a task. Let's understand in details. Assigning/initiating a task. You can also assign tasks to your team members, including self. Click on the plus icon to create a task. Enter the task title and description. Then select the planned start date and due date. Assign the task to a team member or self. Set the priority as low, medium, or high, and click on Submit. Executing a task. First, navigate to the Project section and click on My Task. Here, you will be able to see all the tasks assigned to you. To begin working on a task, select the task and click on Edit Task Status. Once you start the task, update the status to In Progress and click on Submit. After submission, the task will move to the In Progress section, indicating that work has started. Once you have completed the task, again click on Edit Task Status. Now, update the status to Completed and click on Submit. This final submission will be sent back to the project manager for review and further action. Approving a task. As a project manager, navigate to the Project section and click on My Task. Here you can review all the tasks assigned under your project. Check the tasks that are marked as completed by the team. To verify a completed task, go to the task and open the Edit section. Now update the task status to Approved Completed and click on Submit. Once approved, the task will be officially closed. After all tasks are marked as Approved Completed, you will have the option to close the project. Before ending the project, ensure that every task has been properly reviewed and approved. Only after all tasks are completed and approved, proceed to end the project. This ensures the project is successfully closed with all activities properly completed.